As DJI and Insta360 make significant strides in the market, there is growing pressure on GoPro to deliver a device that meets and exceeds expectations. As we approach the latter half of 2024, the action camera community is excited about the potential release of the GoPro Hero 13. The Hero 13 is expected to continue the tradition of innovation. Let's dive into what keeps us worth waiting for in the GoPro Hero 13. Body. The rumor mill has been active with speculation about the GoPro Hero 13. Some sources suggest that GoPro might be working on incorporating AI-based denoising technology, similar to what other camera manufacturers have implemented, which could result in crisper footage even in low light conditions. There's also talk of a potential upgrade to the processor, moving beyond the GP2 chip introduced in 2021. This could not only improve overall performance but also address heat management issues. Another persistent rumor is the possibility of GoPro finally introducing a model with a 1-inch sensor, though this remains unconfirmed. Some enthusiasts are hoping for improved Bluetooth audio support, allowing for better integration with a wider range of accessories. As with all rumors, these should be taken with a grain of salt until officially confirmed by GoPro. The action camera market is highly competitive, and GoPro's Hero 13 needs significant improvements to stay ahead. Its success depends on addressing user demands and introducing innovative features. Though official specifications have not been released, industry experts and enthusiasts have put together a wish list of features for the Hero 13. These include enhanced video capabilities, such as potentially offering 6K video at 60 FPS, building on the Hero 12's impressive 5.3K at 60 FPS. There's speculation about a potential upgrade to a larger sensor, possibly offering up to 40 MP for still images, a significant jump from the current 27 megapixels equivalent sensor. The Hero 13 is expected to introduce Hyper Smooth 7.0, potentially offering even more impressive stabilization for smoother footage in extreme conditions. Improvements in low-light performance, extended battery life, and the return of GPS functionality are also highly anticipated. Additionally, the new model is expected to address overheating with better heat dissipation and more efficient processing. It may also offer enhanced wireless connectivity and faster data transfer. The GoPro design will likely stay the same but with potential upgrades for the Hero 13, including a new flip-up or fully articulating screen, ideal for vloggers. Software improvements may make the camera easier to use, especially for beginners. The Hero 13 is expected to remain durable and waterproof to significant depths without additional housing. Apart from all of these rumors and anticipations, please share your opinions by commenting on whether the GoPro Hero 13 is worth waiting for.